Hello there.
Hello and welcome back to the D-COT disCast. I'm your host Steve, and today is Monday, January 23rd, 2023. Today's going to be a quick one, and we're talking about changes to the EPCOT parking lot, Splash Mountain at Magic Kingdom is closed forever, and more. Disney has renamed the EPCOT parking lot, and I am not happy and not going to be able to let this go. Disney got rid of the awesome naming, which was previously Discover, Explore, Create, Wonder, Journey, Amaze, and Imagine. Why? This is what Disney stated. Beginning this week, which was last week, guests will be welcomed to EPCOT in a brand new way. As part of the continued transformation of EPCOT, we have made updates to the guest parking lot to introduce new lot names with familiar faces and refreshed paint. The new names are Wally, Eve, Rocket, Gamora, Moana, Hey Hey, Crush, and Dory. Let me ask this. What was wrong with what we had before? Okay, you needed a fresh coat of paint and decided to change the names? Change for the sake of change isn't the best idea. I just don't know. So I went to our Discord channel. I expressed my disgust with this change. Why do we need to bring in IP? Why can't we leave EPCOT the way it's supposed to be, which is imagination and creativity and, you know, the future of the world and what it's supposed to be? And instead, now we have parking lots based off of movies and characters that were in Disney movies? Come on. I think I'm going to have to send an email and share my opinion. If you feel the same way, please share your opinion in the comments, and also send an email to Disney and let's get them to change this back. I mean, it's probably not going to happen, but they need to know, right? They need to know that this isn't okay. You know, you can't be changing EPCOT like this. Anyway, next on the news, Disney is looking to hire a new Ariel to look like Halle Bailey's live-action The Little Mermaid. This is the first time Disney has specifically sought performers who look like the live-action version of a character who was originally animated, but it's also the first time the live-action version has looked significantly different from the animated version. The animated Ariel, voiced by Jodie Benson, was of course white, while Halle Bailey is black. So this is a big thing that they're going to be now recasting, and I'm wondering if they're going to be like, we're still going to have the Little Mermaid that we currently have in Magic Kingdom that just opened up, and we're going to have a Little Mermaid in another part or another park, or maybe Hollywood Studios. Be interesting to see what they're going to be doing with this.
Yesterday was a big day at Magic Kingdom.
Splash Mountain closed forever yesterday. Forever. It's gone. It's not coming back. The ride was permanently closed to prepare for the retheming of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Since the official announcement that it was closing, the park has been slammed with guests going to get their last adventure on Splash Mountain. And since yesterday was the final day at Magic Kingdom, if you look anywhere on social media for this, you will find the crowds were insane. I checked the wait time at 3 o'clock yesterday, and it was up to 220 minutes. Guests were looking to kind of get their last looks and going through an adventure with Brer Rabbit and his neighbors. A little history: Splash Mountain opened in 1992 and is a combination of the classic Disney dark ride and a fun log flume, featuring songs like Zippity Doo-Dah, and over 100 audio animatronics bring the scenes in this ride to life. While we don't know all the details for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, we have seen a sneak peek of the interior, and it looks like they're planning on keeping most of the core structure of the original Splash Mountain attraction. Speaking of Zippity Doo-Dah, Zippity Doo-Dah was removed from Magic Kingdom's park entrance loop. This isn't the first instance of the song being removed, as it was removed from the Festival of Fantasy Parade once it returned in March of 2022. The song was also removed from the Disneyland Resort Esplanade in 2020, and later from Tokyo Disneyland in September 2022. Today in Disney history, on January 23rd, 1987, the new Mark V monorails debuted at Disneyland. The Mark V monorails are the second of the Learjet-styled monorails used for Disney and are based on the design of the Bombardier Mark IVs in service at Walt Disney World. Built by Ride and Show Engineering, Inc., the 5-train Mark V monorails can carry 145 passengers. The Mark V monorail was used until 2008, when they were completely replaced by the Mark VII monorail. That's it for today's D-COT disCast. Thanks for listening and thanks for joining us. And we look forward to bringing you more Disney news on Wednesday, January 25th.
Thank you!
Disney's looking to hire a new Ariel to look like Haley Bailey, Billy Bully Bummy Dummies.